So what we're going to do is go from this jump a bunch of data right here, and we're going to turn it into this. We're going to do it fast, we're going to do it easy, and we're going to make it so the next time we get this, and let's say the new data comes in, all we have to do is copy, and we would paste it, and it would update. Alright, let's jump on it. First thing we'll do is you click anywhere in the data, then insert pivot table. Just hit OK, get you a new sheet. Then we're going to look at what our first data sets were. So what we had was, let's say, rank. We had the top 10, and we had player, yards, and first downs. So we go rank, we'll filter that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we need to see the players. Then we're going to use yardage and first downs. So we have that. Great. Now what we're going to do, cheat a little bit. Go here, and we're going to paste it, and we're going to go here, and we're going to paste it. So while this won't be the most sophisticated thing, it's going to be great for when you have those fancy little reports you need to send off and they have to go out quick. So we go here, we look at the next one. It has the longest run and the temps. So here we'll go to, pull these out, the longest run and attempts. Okay. Then here we were at yards per game and yards per attempt. So yards per attempt, yards per game. Yep, attempt and game. Alright, and now we're going to add these charts. So all we have to do, insert, recommended chart, and we will do a combo chart, secondary access. Okay, drag it right here, and we'll do the same thing here. Insert, recommended charts, combo, secondary axis. Okay, and it's a line. Same thing. And once more, insert, recommended charts, combo, click that line, hit OK. And now we are just in the easy part. We're just going to format. So we click here, design, and let's pick this one. And we'll do the same for this, design, and there, and this, and there. Now we're going to hide these things because we don't need to see them. We want to clean it up a little bit. So all we do is pick one of these, right click it, hide all field buttons on chart, and there it is. Data's a little more clean. Then we'll format this. You click anywhere in the pivot, design, drop this down, and there, bang, bang, and we do the same thing here. Drop down, whatever color you want, banded rows, banded columns. And we go here, there, and there, and there. And even if we want to do so, let's say they want to look at certain aspects of the yardage here. What teams are running for the most yardage? Okay, we can go insert, slicer. I want team, I want position, and I want touchdowns and fumbles too. We get our slicers and we just drag them wherever we want. Let's say we're going here, and we go right up here in the slicer tab. We can add some colors, make it pop a little bit, really wow whoever we're sending it to if they're not too familiar with this, or just get out some great analytics fairly quickly at a pretty low informational cost. We have this, and if you want, alright, who's number one, or who has 7 touchdowns? Dalvin Cook. There you go. Cancel it out. Who has no fumbles? We've got 5 players. Awesome. Close it out. And because we built the slicers off of this table, these slicers will only filter this data here. So there are other things you can do. Add a slicer here, add one there, and so on and so forth. But that's a little more in-depth, and we would probably take a little more time to build this if we wanted to do it. Let's say we have our new data. So we'll title this New Dashboard. We'll go over here to our New Data tab. So we just got this new report in. We need to update the old information with this. Okay, so we'll click here, and we'll pick all the data up, copy, Control-C, go to the old data. We'll paste it, Control-V. and we go right over here. And all we're going to do is pivot table, analyze, change data source. So we can just drag over this. Okay, and refresh. What do you know? We got ourselves a tracking spreadsheet. So we'll just double check. Over here, refresh. Yep, same thing. And because these two are a copy of this, they'll update. These ones will update as soon as this one does. And this chart is off of this. Same with essentially this and that. Everything is going to do it for you. You can also go in here and format different things certain ways. Like we want this on the bottom, let's say. Format legend after we right click it, bottom. Format legend after right click and bottom. Right click, format legend, and bottom. And that's pretty much it. You can make yourself a super simple, very effective dashboard, and it's a great intro to your spreadsheet tracking. All you need to do is make sure when you get that data, it's in a format like this. So as long as this gets sent to you, you're set. You just copy and paste it from the old stuff. So you throw the new data right in here, copy it in, move over to the dashboard, and click it. I mean, shoot, we're walking through it right now. We're at 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Once you're quick with it, it should take you less than 2. Pivot tables are great. They're going to summarize everything, and this is an awesome way to have a really nice tracking spreadsheet that's at least visually appealing and takes minimal effort on your part. So you can send this thing off. There you go. Thanks, boss. All right. Have a good one. See you next time.